Did you know that over 420 million people worldwide now own cryptocurrency? And in 2025, it's easier than ever to start investing and building wealth. But where do you begin without losing your hard-earned money? Stick around because, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started safely and smartly with crypto this year. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financially Savvy. I'm Belinda, and today, we're talking about one of the most exciting opportunities of 2025, cryptocurrency investing. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to sharpen your strategy, this guide will help you take your first step into the world of crypto. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on actionable tips to grow your financial future. Why 2025 is the perfect time to start. First, let's talk about why 2025 is the perfect year to start investing in crypto. Mass adoption. Major companies like Starbucks, Microsoft, and even Disney are expanding their use of blockchain tech. Crypto is no longer just for tech geeks, it's mainstream. Regulation clarity. Governments worldwide have introduced clearer laws on crypto, making it safer than ever for new investors. New technologies. The rise of AI-driven crypto tools is simplifying trading and investing like never before. So, if you've been on the fence, now is the time to jump in before opportunities grow even bigger. Step 1. Educate yourself. Investing in cryptocurrency isn't just about buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's about understanding the market. Here's how you can start. 1. Follow trusted resources. Check out sites like CoinDesk, CryptoSlate, and CoinMarketCap for the latest news. 2. Learn the basics. Understand key terms like wallets, private keys, and blockchain. 3. Avoid scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Spend at least a week or two learning before you invest your first dollar, it's worth it. Step 2. Choose the right platform. The easiest way to start is through beginner-friendly platforms like 1. Coinbase. Great for beginners, with a clean interface. 2. Binance. Offers lower fees and more advanced features. 3. Robinhood. Perfect for buying crypto alongside traditional stocks. When choosing, make sure the platform is secure, offers the coins you're interested in, and is available in your country. Step 3. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. In fact, I recommend starting with as little as $10 or $20 to get a feel for the market. Here's how you can invest wisely. 1. Focus on well-established coins like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. 2. Use the dollar cost averaging, DCA, strategy, investing small amounts regularly to reduce risk. 3. Set a clear budget and stick to it. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Remember, crypto is volatile, but starting small keeps your risk low while you learn. Step 4. Secure your investment. Security is key in the crypto world. Here's how you can protect your assets. Use a wallet. Move your crypto off exchanges and into a private wallet. Options include hot wallets like Trust Wallet, online, convenient. Cold wallets like Ledger Nano, offline, super secure. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Be cautious of phishing scams. Always double-check URLs and avoid sharing your private keys. Final tips and next steps. So, to recap, educate yourself, choose the right platform, start small, and secure your investments. And don't forget, patience is key. Crypto is a long-term game. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be answering every single one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's ready to start their crypto journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.